Well, hello there and welcome to a whole new video, yet again, all about sticker making. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you might remember my video from a few years back where I was cutting all these stickers out by hand. Well, since then I've gotten quite a few requests to show my new process incorporating the Cricut machine I use now. So if that's something that interests you, please remember to hit that subscribe button and give this one a thumbs up by the end of the video if it helps. But for now, let's start making some stickers. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is save whatever design you're working with as a PNG file. Here you see me in Procreate. I'm adding a white background to my design, and basically what these white lines I'm making around the design, that is telling the Cricut where to cut. Now I'm saving it as a PNG file and I'm going to move that over to my iMac. Once you have the PNG file on your computer, you can upload it to the Cricut Design Space. I usually choose complex and print then cut images. Here you're going to want to pay attention to the H and W at the top of the screen, that's height and width. Also make sure that little lock icon is locked when you're doing this, or else you're going to get a warped image. Then you copy and paste it as many times as it can fit on one page, and then you're going to print. I like to send to printer and use system dialog. I also like to have the option of add bleed around the image, and if you don't want a white background on your stickers, you can also do the add bleed and it'll cut right into the ink that printed. And when you use the system dialog, you're going to want to move the Cricut Design Space box out of the way to show your actual printer. I always choose photo paper, and if you have the option to do best quality, I would do that too. All right, now we're gonna print these onto the vinyl sticker paper. I recommend Homsto because it truly is waterproof even without laminating your stickers. Okay, so now I'm loading my vinyl sticker paper into my printer. This printer is a Canon IP8720. I used my first few $100s I earned selling the stickers I was cutting out by hand to buy this printer and the Cricut machine. I highly recommend using whatever printer is available to you. You can even offer to buy ink for a friend and print at their house. I will leave all the materials I'm using in the description box below, including some ink that I load into my Canon printer that is a fraction of the cost of actual Canon ink, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, once your designs have printed onto the vinyl sticker sheet, you're going to laminate the stickers. And I highly recommend these Avery laminating sheets because they are way easier than the roll I was using in my previous sticker making video. Also, when your stickers print out, you'll notice a black line around the stickers. They're basically calibration lines so that your Cricut machine knows where to cut around your stickers. Here you'll see I've peeled the back of the laminating sheet off. I place face down the sticker sheet on top of that little edge that's showing. Flip it back over and push a bit of the laminate sheet onto your stickers. Then use a straight edge like a ruler to glide over the rest of the sheet. This is the best way to do it without getting air bubbles. If you have laminated, you might get this error that says the Cricut can't find cut lines, and that's basically because the laminate makes the sheet too shiny when your Cricut is looking for the cut lines. It's shining its own little light on the sheet, which bounces off the laminate. There are two solutions for this. You can either grab a Sharpie and a ruler and go over the lines on top of the laminate. Just make sure your lines are perfectly straight. Or use Scotch matte finish magic tape to just stick right on top of those lines. The matte finish prevents the Cricut's light from being too shiny for the machine to see the lines. You can even save this tape after and reuse it for more cuts. So when I make my stickers, I always set my Cricut Machine to custom, and then in the Cricut Design Space, I'll set it to heavy cardstock. I also use the more pressure option. That setting has always cut my stickers perfectly. Sometimes when I use the vinyl setting, it's just not strong enough. Some people use that vinyl setting for kiss cut sticker sheets, but what we're making here are called die cut stickers. If you want to sell a sheet of stickers, that vinyl setting would probably be good for you. After that, your stickers will be ready. Just peel away the paper and carefully pry your stickers off the mat. I hope this video can help you start your very own sticker shop, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave me a comment. I'm usually pretty good at answering anyone within a day or two. If you liked this one, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos about running an online shop or life as an artist illustrator, please consider subscribing. Okay, until the next one, bye!